Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Archangel token. Well, it was a very big reveal on the Arca Cafe episode today. If you've still not watched it, I'll leave the link in the description box. Go ahead and have a check because the staking pool was revealed in that particular episode. And I'll be going ahead and discussing and showing you snippets of how the staking pool looks and what you need to do and the basic FAQ that is posted on the announcements of Archangel token as well. This is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please ensure that you do your own research before you get into any token in the crypto space and stay away from scams. Now, moving on to how the token pool, staking pool actually looks, I'll show it to you at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. But before that, let's go ahead with the FAQs on what is it that you need to know about the staking pool. The first and foremost thing that you need to know is there is a countdown already available on the staking pool and it opens up on January 12th, that is Wednesday at 9 p.m. CST. So the staking pool will be open for 48 hours and will then close. Once the pool is closed, you must wait until the next staking period opens to stake your Arca tokens. So in one particular phase, if you want to get in, that is where you want to go ahead and drop in your Arca to the staking pool within the next 48 hours after the staking pool opens up. After which it will be closed, no more further deposits will be accepted, and that Archangel tokens would be locked for a total period of 90 days. Now within this 90 days, what would be the rewards that you would be getting? That would be decided in each phases. Now for the phase 1 that is happening right now, there won't be any other token reward as such, since the other tokens are still not launched. Guardian is coming up probably in the next couple of months, and Scratch token is also coming up probably this month end or next month mid, somewhere in that line. So that's something that we will have to wait, and that would be part of phase 2. Now for phase 1, it would be only Archangel tokens that you would be receiving as staking pool rewards. Now Ed Stream actually went ahead and demonstrated a formula as well on how the total rewards would be distributed. So here is the illustration of what your staking rewards would be if you're staking 10 trillion tokens, for example. So the formula goes like this: your stake tokens plus the percentage of your contribution to the entire staking pool into the staking pool rewards. Now for the phase 1, the staking pool rewards would be 150 trillion Archangel. Now in this particular phase 1, if you take for example, you have staked 10 trillion tokens and assume that the total staking pool volume is just 100 trillion. So like 10 people have staked 10 trillion tokens each. So the total pool now would be 100 trillion and your contribution to the staking pool would be 10%, right? So taking that 10%, multiply that with 150 trillion, you would be getting 15 trillion as the rewards. Now add that to your initial investment. So once you stake 10 trillion tokens, provided the total volume here is 100 trillion, you would be able to receive 25 trillion as your total rewards once lock-in for the staking is completed. So this is how the calculation goes for the formula. Now moving on to certain other FAQs that are out there. First and foremost is, where do the staked Arca tokens go when they leave my wallet? Well, it will be a smart contract that will be governing it. It will not be any specific wallet as such, but the staking will have a separate contract. As soon as you go ahead and send your tokens to the staking pool, it will be part of the smart contract. So no one would have ideally any access to your tokens as such, because it will not be in a specific wallet also. So no one individually will be monitoring your staking pool. It is all smart contract based. Do stake tokens go into your pool of Uniswap Arca, or are they removed from the available supply? Absolutely not. Any tokens you stake in a staking pool will not ideally be removed out of circulating supply. The main reason being, they are still tokens which are purchased and kept in your wallet, right? So if you go ahead and transfer those tokens to a separate wallet, that doesn't mean that the circulating supply will come down. Now what is APY? APY is annual percentage yield. Now that does not apply to Archangel tokens. The main reason being, it's a reward based system. It is not a percentage contribution that would ideally happen. So do stakers who stake 1 trillion get the same amount of earned Arca reflections as those who stake 25 trillion Archangel, or is it based on how much we stake as a percentage of the pool? So like I've already illustrated in the formula earlier, that's how we can go ahead and calculate to whatever amount you stake, and the total actual rewards would only be based on the total volume that is staked in the staking pool. So do I have to manually claim my rewards? Yes, you absolutely have to go ahead and manually claim it. Now the next staking period will not be ideally, I'll combine the next question as well. So do we get to see the Arca reflections being added during the staking period? How is it shown? So Arca reflections will not be added. That's the main reason. You will have to decide between keeping your Archangel in your wallet to receive reflections, or go ahead ahead and stake it for rewards. So that's your strategy. You will not be able to automatically see those Archangel tokens auto stake for the next staking phase or phase 2. The main reason here being every staking phase is governed by a smart contract. So now as soon as the contract ends, then this contract gets nullified and the new contract needs to be built so that the reward system changes in that phase. So you need to go ahead and unstake and again stake it because the contract address now keeps changing. So in order to update your own tokens to the new contract address, you have to go through this possible method. So when rewards are claimed, does my ARCA balance in the pool just increase by itself, or does it show my original staking balance and also my rewards? You'll be receiving your principal ARCA plus rewards. Do I have to restake every time? Like I said, yes, you have to restake it every single time. What happens if I do not claim my rewards? Well, there will be an announcement that will be made on social channels. You will have to claim your rewards, but apart from that, well, nothing much can be done about it, because ideally if you are investing some amount of money in the staking pool, it's your money, your owners, and there is some responsibility from each and everyone's side because it's your hard-earned money, guys. So what staking pool company manages our pool, and what is their fee? How do we pay that fee? Now, there is no other company that is managing the staking pool. Like I said, it is all governed by a smart contract that is built and handled by ARCA team itself. Does the staking pool have insurance in case of... Now, this is something which we also discussed on the session of ARCA Cafe as well. Well, there are currently no other providers for any such crypto insurance as such, right? So our staking pool has an emergency withdrawal, and if I use that feature, do I get the rewards or not? Well, yes, you will not be able to get the rewards. You will have to forfeit your rewards if you are withdrawing it before the 90 days time period. When the pool is open, can I add more ARCA to my original stake? So first staking period, I stake 10 trillion. Then when the pool opens again, I stake again another 20 trillion. Like I said, this kind of sums up to the question which we had earlier in terms of do I have to stake and unstake every time? So every phase it opens up, you will have to go ahead and stake and unstake, so it will not get added up. What you can ideally do is keep a certain amount of tokens with you, just a strategy that I have from my side. Keep a certain amount of tokens for you for liquidity and trading and such on the daily market. Stake the rest, and whatever rewards you are getting on the staking pool from these stake tokens after 90 days, restake them again so that you will have a more number of tokens which you can actually stake for the phase 2. That's just my thought. The rest you can formulate your strategy. So is there a limit on how much ARCA I can stake? There is absolutely no limit. You can stake how much ever you want or how much ever you can afford to, based on your strategies, guys. So what happens with ecosystem projects that launch during a staking period? The reflections are held until the next staking pool commences. Each staking period has its own contract, and those contracts will be updated as needed or if needed as the ecosystem grows. So these are the quick FAQs that we had on the Archangel staking pool. So let's go ahead and have a quick look at the staking pool, and this is how it ideally looks. A very simple and neat interface where you have to just connect your wallet, and one nifty feature which I personally liked, the dark mode and the light mode. So you can just go through all the points, and one thing which I personally really liked is the fact that they have given you all the details over here to ensure that you know what you are getting into before you stake your tokens. It's really good to see that they have been very transparent and very open about this is what you are getting into. So tick mark all the boxes before you enter the staking pool. So this is it about this video, guys. I'll be making another video once the staking pool is actually live to see how the actual final interface looks. The rest will be announced once it's all up and ready, and after connecting the wallet, I'll have to just check out how the interface works and stuff like that. So let's wait for that. And if you're excited as me for the staking pool to launch, well, stay tuned for this countdown. Stick on to the Telegram channel, stick on to the Discord channel, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the like button, and share this video to everyone who would like to know more about Archangel and other good projects which are there in the crypto field. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have fun and take care.